This could change the crypto and real estate industry forever. As of a few days ago, Bill Pulte just notified Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac to prepare their businesses to count cryptocurrency as an asset for mortgage. So if you have cryptocurrency in your portfolio and it wasn't previously counted, now that door has been opened for asset-backed lending in the cryptocurrency space. So instead of having to sell your cryptocurrency to create that liquidity and pay capital gains tax on top of it, you can avoid that altogether. This is going to bring a lot new liquidity and buyers and overall demand into the market that previously wasn't there. But there is one catch right now. This is only for Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac loans, and lenders are discounting those assets due to the volatility in the cryptocurrency space. Still, this is a massive breakthrough for both industries and is going to change the way we qualify buyers, that we bring new demand into the space, and overall how we build wealth in real estate. What do you think? Is this a breakthrough or nothing, Burke?